Assalamualaikum students, welcome to MCQs Hub by Salman. In this video, we will discuss 60 most important MCQs from cell structure and functions. मैं आपको गारंटी से बता सकता हूँ कि इस चैप्टर में से अगर कोई भी MCQs आया एग्ज़ाम में तो इसके अलावा कोई और नहीं आ सकता। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट MCQs, द इनटेक ऑफ लिक्विड मटेरियल अक्रॉस सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज phagocytosis, pinocytosis, endocytosis, exocytosis. So correct option is the B, pinocytosis. Next MCQs. Which component of cell is concerned with the cell secretions? Plasma membrane, cytoskeleton, Golgi complex, and mitochondria. So correct option is the C, Golgi complex. Next MCQs. In mitochondria, small knob-like structure called F1 particle are found in outer membrane, outer compartment, inner compartment. So correct option is the B, inner membrane. Next MCQs. Peptidoglycan or murin is special or distinctive feature of cell wall in algae, bacteria, fungi, plants. So correct option is B, bacteria. Next MCQs. Which substance from the following is important for the mechanical stability of cell membrane, as it without it membranes quickly break and cell burst open? The hydrophobic region of this molecule help to prevent ion or polar molecule from passing through cell membrane. Protein, phospholipid, glycolipid, cholesterol. The correct option is the B, phospholipid. Next MCQs. Fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane states that protein molecule float in a fluid-like layer. Galactose, glucose, phospholipid, carbohydrate. So correct option is the C, phospholipids. Next MCQs. Ribosome are tiny organelle which are involved in the synthesis of protein, nucleus, RNA, nucleosome. So correct option is the A, protein. Next MCQs. Which one of the following cell structure is involved in the synthesis of lipid? Endoplasmic reticulum, centriole, Golgi complex, mitochondria. So correct option is A, endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next MCQs 9 है. Which organelle is bounded by two membrane? Ribosome, lysosome, mitochondria, nucleus, nucleolus. So correct option is the C, mitochondria. Next MCQs. Such disease occur when cells are unable to produce an enzyme leading to a build-up to certain lipid in cell, which cell structure would not function correctly in the disease. Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So correct option is B, lysosomes. Next MCQs. Inner membrane of mitochondria form extensive folding called Christi, Lambella, Cisterni, bifid. So correct option is A, Christi. Sorry. Next MCQs. The rapid exchange of material through carrier protein across plasma membrane is called passive diffusion, endocytosis, active transport, facilitated diffusion. So correct option is D, facilitated diffusion. Next MCQs. The basic structure of plasma membrane is provided by proteins, cytoplasm, cholesterols, phospholipids. So correct option is D, phospholipids. Next MCQs. Out of the given option, choose one which shows the structure found only in plants. Vacuole, chloroplast, ribosomes, chloroplast, cell wall vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria, peroxisomes, chloroplast, cell wall, mitochondria. So correct option is B, chloroplast, shell wall, and vacuole are present in plants. Next MCQs, presence of large central vacuole is a characteristic of prokaryotes, fungi, protista, and plants. So correct option is the D, plants. Next MCQs, the organelle involved in the detoxification of drugs and poisons in liver cell, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes. Correct option is the A, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next MCQs, which one of the following organelle is found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Centriole, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome. Correct option is the D, ribosome. Next MCQs, select the organelle which is only present in animal cell. Centriole, macrotubules, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. So correct option is A, centrioles. Next MCQs, ribosome present in prokaryotic cells are 80S, 50S, 60S, 70S. So correct option is D, 70S. Next MCQ, functionally mesosomes can be compared with ribosomes, polysomes, mitochondria, Golgi bodies. So correct option is the C, mitochondria. Next MCQs, which of the following structure is present in both plants and cells but is absent in prokaryotic cell? Centriole, plastid, macrotubules, sieve tubes. So correct option is the C, macrotubules. Next MCQs, DNA molecule in prokaryote is single circular double stranded molecule not bound by membrane, double circular molecule, linear double stranded molecule, single circular double stranded and membrane bound. So correct option is A, सिंगल है, सर्कुलर है, डबल स्टैंड मॉलिक्यूल नॉट फाउंड बाय membrane. Next MCQs, organelle involved in aerobic respiration, mitochondria, plastid, lysosomes, ribosomes. So correct option is the A, mitochondria. Next MCQs, inner membrane of mitochondria is called cisternae, lemma, Christi, tonoplast. So correct option is C, Christi. Next MCQs, group of ribosome attached to messenger RNA is called polyploid, polynucleotide, polysomes, polysaccharides. So correct option is C, polysome. Next MCQs, which of the following organelle consist of two subunits? Golgi body, ribosome, mitochondria, plastid. So correct option is B, ribosome. Next MCQs, ribosome present in prokaryotes are of 70S, 60S, 80S, 40S. So correct option is A, 70S. Next MCQs, taking in a solid particle vessel is called phagocytosis, exocytosis, pinocytosis, and endocytosis. So correct option is A, phagocytosis. Next MCQ, self-eating of lysosome is called phagocytosis, autophagy, pinocytosis, exocytosis. Correct option is B, autophagy. Next MCQ, nuclear membrane is continuous with endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, Golgi body, peroxisome. So correct option is A, endoplasmic reticulum. Next MCQs, ribosomal RNA is synthesized in nucleolus, Golgi body, peroxisome, nucleoplasm. So correct option is A, nucleolus. Next MCQs, which of these locomotor organ would likely be the shortest? A flagellum, an extended pseudopod, cilium pellicle. So correct option is C, a cilium. नेक्स्ट MCQs है Which of the following is correctly method? Ribosome detoxification of alcohol, lysosome formation of acetyl array, centriole protein synthesis, peroxisome destroyer of foreign particles, smooth endopolymerase column convert cholesterol into vitamin D in skin. So correct option is D. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum convert cholesterol into विटामिन डी. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है कि which feature do animal cells share with the plant cell? फर्स्ट है क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज प्रेजेंट, साइटोप्लाज्म इज प्रेजेंट, न्यूक्लियस जो हमारे पास माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है वो भी प्रेजेंट है. सेकंड है क्लोरोप्लास्ट नॉट प्रेजेंट, साइटोप्लाज्म प्रेजेंट एंड न्यूक्लियस एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया आर nucleus present, mitochondria is not present. नेक्स्ट क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, साइटोप्लाज्म ही प्रेजेंट है, न्यूक्लियस ही प्रेजेंट है एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया भी प्रेजेंट है. फोर्थ है हमारे पास कि क्लोरोप्लास्ट नॉट प्रेजेंट, साइटोप्लाज्म प्रेजेंट, न्यूक्लियस नॉट प्रेजेंट एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रेजेंट. सो हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी सी. विच फीचर डू एनिमल सेल शेयर विद प्लांट? प्लांट और एनिमल्स के जो हमारे पास है क्लोरोप्लास्ट नहीं होगा, साइटोप्लाज्म होगा, न्यूक्लियस होगा एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होगा. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यू, लिपिड सिंथेसिस और लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म इज द फंक्शन ऑफ. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, साइट ऑफ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस इन सेल इज राइबोसोम, न्यूक्लियोलस, endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So correct option is the A, ribosome. Next MCQs, ribosomes are made up of RNA and protein, RNA and carbohydrate, RNA and lipid, proteins and carbohydrates. So correct option is A, RNA and protein. Next MCQ, stonoplast bounds which organelle? Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus and vacuoles. So correct option is D, vacuoles. Next MCQs, these structures are involved in the breakdown of old organelle, leucoplast, glyoxysomes, lysosomes, peroxisomes. So correct option is C, lysosomes. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास 40 क्वेश्चंस है. द सिस्टर्नी ब्रेकअप इनटू वेसिकल्स फ्रॉम फेस टू गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. कन्वेक्स फार्मिंग फेस, कन्वेक्स मैच्योरिंग फेस, कनकेव फार्मिंग फेस, कनकेव मैच्योरिंग फेस. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, कनकेव मैच्योरिंग फेस. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, which statement is correct about mitochondria and chloroplast? Correct option is B. 70S ribosome attached with the inner membrane of mitochondria and chloroplast. Next MCQs, which organelle is required for aerobic respirations? Plastid, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus. So correct option is B, mitochondria. Next MCQs, passive process for the movement of molecule across cell surface membrane are. Correct option is the A, facilitated diffusion and osmosis. Next MCQs, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the metabolism of carbohydrate, nucleus, proteins and lipid. So correct option is D, lipid. Next site of protein synthesis is ribosome, Golgi body, cisternae, lysosome. So correct option is ribosome. 46, Which cell organelle is responsible for cell secretions? Mitochondria and ribosomes, chloroplast, Golgi bodies. So correct option is D, Golgi bodies. The finger-like enfolding which are formed by inner membrane of mitochondria is called matrices, Christi, porins, ribosomes. So correct option is the B, Christi. Next MCQs, among following which cellular organelle contain circular DNA similar to those found in bacteria? Ribosomes, chloroplast, lysosomes, and nucleus. So correct option is B, chloroplast. 49. The structure present in eukaryotic cell but absent in prokaryotic cell. Nucleus, ribosome, DNA, cell surface membrane. So correct option is A, nucleus. Next MCQs, prokaryotes possesses small ribosomes of size 40S, 65S, 70S and 60S. So correct option is C, 70S. Next MCQs, cytoplasmic organelle commonly found in both in prokaryotes and eukaryotes is flagellums, ribosomes, mitochondria, nucleoid. So correct option is B, ribosome. Next MCQ, the structure in double bond membrane bound organelle primarily involve ATP generations through cellular respiration is F1 particle, mitoplast, mitochondria, ergostoplast. So correct option is A, F1 particles. Next MCQs, the fluid mosaic model of cell membrane is. तो हमारे पास among these correct option is D, in which protein molecules are free to move about in fluid bilayer of phospholipid molecules. Next MCQs, which of these is solely present in plant cell wall only? Peroxisome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, cytoskeleton, central vacuole. प्लांट सेल में हमारे पास सेंट्रल वैक्यूल होता है. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, glycolysis is common stage in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration occur in the cells of हमारे पास inner membrane of mitochondria, mitochondrial matrix, chloroplast, cytoplasm. So correct option is the D, cytoplasm. Next MCQs, which plant cell receive a signal for death? It commits suicide by rupturing nucleus, cell membrane, tonoplast and chloroplast. So correct option is C, tonoplast. Next MCQ, cell permeability and transport process of cell membrane depend upon its phospholipid, carbohydrates, polysaccharide and cellulose. So correct option is the A, phospholipid. Next MCQ, in which type of cell wall is not present? Plant cell, bacterial cell, fungal cell, liver cells. So correct option is D, liver cells. Next MCQs. The 70S size ribosome are found in the cell of algae, protozoans, fungi, bacteria. Correct option is the D, bacteria. Next MCQs, according to fluid mosaic model of cell membrane, which zone is embedded inside? Hydrophobic, globular, hydrophilic and filamentous. So correct option is A, hydrophobic.